So I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust rumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology, speeding my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.
There it goes, guys. Kicks back on. Shuts off at about 140. So it's about 55, rainy. Got the need to do the wheel wells. I did that side. I need to do this side, and we got a hole over there. And I think that's about it. And there's a few dents to pull, but that's about it. Talk to you guys later. See ya. Alright guys, I got it all welded in. Nice and solid. Nice on that side too. And ready for grinding down and some paint. So here we go. Got the welds ground down all the way around. And just threw on some paint. Well, it's just primer, just rattle can stuff. And for now, and on the inside and everything, I'm gonna do a couple coats. And as you can see, I drilled some holes in there for drainage. All right, guys. So getting this in there. Got it all. Fit. Alright guys, this panel finally fits right, and this goes right up in here like that. Okay, this is really not easy with one hand, so I think I'll set the camera down. There we go. Goes right like that. Alright, there you go. So what I plan on doing is tacking it in and then hammering out where it needs to be hammered out. And we got a pretty big gap here, but I can hammer this part up and then it'll meet it. So should be good. I might have to add a little metal. Definitely have to add metal over here. But that's not a big deal. I had to on the other side too. And but it's looking good. And I drilled the holes for the, see, it goes right through, meets underneath with that. So well, there it is. Next video will be tacked in. It's all tacked in there. Got it all welded in, solid. It's all welded in solid, and turned out way better than the other one did. The other side, I mean. Nice and solid, and I think I'm ready to grind it down. And as you can see, it goes along with the line in the floor pan. It's all ground down, and I think it looks pretty good.